Okay guys, I'm back with another video. Are you trapped? He's trapped. Another puppy bird vlog. Oh my goodness! He didn't even jump out there. He didn't jump down there. He just went through there. YOLO. Stop. Stop. I'm trying to show them the birds. Hey, I know you're my most popular video on my channel, but I have to show, look, I don't, he just took my shoe. YOLO. Oh my goodness. Can I just have it? What? It's mine. Stop. Got it. Haha. I got it. Stop. Can I just show them the birds? Okay, thank you. Stop. Can I just put my sandal on? Jeez. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be back. He's biting me. Ow. He's biting me. Guys, when the camera's off, he doesn't like act up. But when the camera's on, he acts up. Look, dude, the camera's on. He still doesn't believe me. Alright, I'm gonna show them the birds. Hey, bro! Yo, I gotta show them my bird. Jeez. You and Lemon, which is my sister's in the other video, have been on YouTube. I just need to show mine now, okay? Thank you. Okay, my savage one. Oh my goodness. Let's zoom in on him. Oh wait, that was a fail. Oh, zoom in on Max. Oh my goodness. The zoom in is real. You guys heard that? Alright, so I showed you that now. We're just gonna do a puppy vlog. Come on. Puppy vlog? Let's go. I was over there where he's sitting. Then I came all the way here. All the way here. Right here. And he's right there. And he was right here. What are you doing? The camera's still on, you know. Come on, let's play. Wait, I know how to color him. Look at this. Look, I just got him. Well, I'm not gonna leave, bro. I'm making a vlog. Ow. Stop. Ow, guys, help. What you gonna do? Are you trying to outsmart me? What? YOLO. One, two, 1, 2, 3. It was right there, and I just threw it right here. No, wait. Let me have it. What the? Give me that! He's so fast. Stop, I'm doing it with my left arm. I suck at throwing on my left arm. Right. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Whoa, he's fighting me. Can I have it? Ow. We just bit me. Stop. I won't do anything. No! Stop. 1, 2, 3. You didn't get it? Oh, great. You don't want the toy? You just want my... Oh. It's a lot. Okay, that was a lot. I guess I'm gonna have to keep going with one shoe, one not shoe. Because he got my shoe, and I tried to take it away. Oh my god. Ow. Ow. Stop. Let go. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Stop, bro! Hey. What are you, Max the Savage? Guys, thumbs up this video for Max the Savage and my bird, Blueberry. Stop! I'm trying to get a zoom in! Oh my goodness, the zoom in though. Right there. Let's see. So, Blueberry the Savage and Max the Savage. Like the video for Max the Savage and Blueberry the Savage. Can we submit? Oh. How much likes? Wait, guys. Let me pause my video. He has to tell me how much likes we need. Okay, guys. Max the Savage has the... Oh, he's sitting in my lap now. He has said... Now, he wants us... Can we hit... Ow, ow, bro. Can we hit 5 likes? Yes, he said that. Can we hit 5 likes and we'll do another doggy vlog and bird vlog. Alright. Say bye, Max. Oh my god! Guys, you don't know right now he's attacking me. That's what he called Max the Savage. Like, calling the Savage. But... Okay, bye guys.